For the cybercrime is the essence referring to any criminal activity that involves a computer network or network device as a tool or target. It encompasses a broad range of illegal actions from financial fraud and identity theft to hacking, malware attacks, and cyberbullying, whereas cybercrime can involve crimes where the computer is the target, hacking into a system, or where the computer is used as a tool to commit a certain crime using a computer to defraud someone. The cybercrime can lead to significant financial losses, reputational damage, and compromised data and systems.
Cybercrime awareness and prevention campaigns face significant challenges in effective reducing risk and changing behavior despite widespread efforts. Key issues stem from evolving threats, human factors, and implementation gaps. The problem is that human error and complacency, human mistakes, weak password, unpatched software, or accidental data leak account for 88% of breaches. Many employees underestimate their personal attack surface, such as oversharing data on social media, which undermines organization security. Training often fails to address individual risk, making skepticism hard to overcome.
Good day. Here's example of preventing cybercrime. Cybercrime involves a mix of technology and behavior and policy. Here's a key areas of prevention. First is personal prevention. Using strong password, create a complex password and avoid refusing them. Second, enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. Adds in extra layer of protection. Be cautious of phishing. Don't click on suspicious link or downloads unknown attachment. Regular update software. Keep your system protected from known vulnerabilities. And last, use antivirus and firewall basic protection against malware and unauthorized access. Second is for organization. Cybersecurity training educate employees about social engineering, phishing, and best practices. Regular security audits test system for vulnerabilities and fix them quickly. Data encryption protect sensitivity, data and transit and reset. Access control limit access based on users' roles and necessities. Incident response plan have a clear plan for holding breaches of attack. Third is government and legal measures. Cybercrime law establish and enforce legal frameworks in Philippine Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. International cooperation share intelligence and work together to combat global threats. Public awareness. Campaigns promote cybersecurity, knowledge, and all-level securities. Technical solution. Secure network. Use VPN, instruction, detection, prevention, system or IDS or IPS. Backup data regularly. Prevent data loss from ransom or cyber attack. Patch management. Keep all system and apps updated. Monitor system. Detect suspicious behavior in real time using cybersecurity.
Good morning. My name is John Raymond Sandoval. Here is solution. Mag-ingat sa mga pangloloko. Alamin ang mga palatandaan ng mga phishing scam. Ang mga phishing scam ay madalas na gumagamit ng mga peking email o mensahe upang makuha ang iyong personal na information. Alamin ang mga palatandaan ng phishing scam upang maiwasan mo maging biktima. Mag-ingat sa social media. Huwag mag-post ng mga information na maaari magamit ng mga cyber criminals laban sa iyo. Ay limit ang pagbabahagi ng iyong lokasyon at iba pang personal na detalye.
As we've explored in this presentation, cybercrime is one of the biggest challenges of our time. It affects our privacy, our finances, our businesses, and even our trust in technology. That's why awareness is our first and strongest line of defense. Prevention campaigns are not just about sharing facts, they're about changing behavior. They're designed to help people understand what cybercrime is, recognize the warning signs, and know exactly how to respond. The good news? We're not powerless. Through cybercrime awareness and prevention campaigns, we have the opportunity to take control, to educate, and to defend ourselves and our communities. These campaigns are more than just warnings, they are tools for empowerment. They teach us how to protect our personal data, how to recognize online threats, and how to act when something doesn't feel right. They remind us that even one click can make a difference, either in avoiding danger or becoming a victim. Prevention starts with the basics: strong passwords, regular software updates, being cautious with links and attachments, and knowing when to speak up or report suspicious activity. But it doesn't stop there. The real impact comes when we take what we've learned and share it. Talk to your friends, your family, your classmates, or your coworkers. Help others stay safe too. So as we move forward, let's commit to being more informed, more cautious, and more connected in how we protect ourselves online. Together, through awareness and smart prevention, we can build a digital world that's safer for everyone. That means regularly updating passwords, installing security software, being cautious with the information we share online, and learning how to identify suspicious emails or links. It also means building a culture of cybersecurity, one where companies, schools, governments, and individuals all take responsibility and work together to reduce the risks. In the end, preventing cybercrime is a collective effort. We all have a role to play. And by staying informed, staying alert, and supporting awareness campaigns, we're not just protecting ourselves, we're helping to create a safer, smarter, and more secure digital world for everyone.